Hey, what's up, guys? Jonathan here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I'm using the second brain Notion template that we created to manage my monetization efforts for the Kahana hubs that I'm creating to monetize. So let's dive right in. And if you want to stop the video right now and just go grab the second brain Notion template so that you can use it for your own monetization efforts or for anything else that you'd like, feel free to pause the video. The link is in the description. But if you want to stick with me, I will walk through how I am using it personally. So here is the home area for me where you can see the hubs that I am creating to monetize. So I've got a consulting case study practice hub, a core Excel keyboard shortcuts hub, metaverse research hub, founders keepers, which is basically just a hub around insights gathered from dozens of founders that we've had the chance to speak with to around advice and whatnot for entrepreneurs who are just getting started, and then a hub around finding a technical co-founder. So the reason why I'm using the second brain Notion template to organize everything is that I'm able to create tasks for each of the hubs that I am building and essentially keep track of my progress. So if I go to my tasks area, you'll see that I've already created a bunch of tasks for each of these hubs. So for all of the hubs, I have a turn on monetization task. I have a build a waitlist item for each of these, which I'm going to be using Product Hunt to host a waitlist for each of these hubs. And I'll make a separate video about that, showing you how I'm building it and how I'm managing everything through Product Hunt. So we'll check that off once that's complete. A checklist to notify folks on the waitlist when the hubs are live. And then finally, a checklist item to make my first sale. So once I successfully monetize, I will check that off. But it's just really nice because I now don't have to worry about keeping track of what I have to do in disparate places. It's all right here. My hubs are neatly embedded into the second brain template, and then for each of them I can see exactly what my progress is. So whenever I check something off, it'll show up right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I am using the second brain Notion template to manage my monetization efforts. If you would like to do the same, I hope this helps, and definitely please feel free to reach out with any questions. And yeah, best of luck with your monetization efforts, and looking forward to seeing what you come up with. Cheers.